Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a grow rotate image effect in Elementor. This dynamic scrolling effect adds visual interest to your images, making them rotate and scale as visitors scroll down your page, creating a more engaging user experience. Let's start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the Pages section and click on Add Page. This will create a new page for you to work with. After the page is created, you'll see an option to edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click that button to launch the Elementor Page Builder interface. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, you'll notice the left panel contains various widgets you can use to build your page. Locate the image widget, which you can either drag onto your page or simply click to add it into a section. This widget is what we'll be applying the grow rotate effect to, so positioning it where you want it on your page is important. With the image widget now on your page, click on it to open its settings. You'll see an option that says Choose Image. Click on this, and you'll be presented with two choices. You can either upload new files directly from your computer, or you can select an image from your existing media library. Choose the image you want to apply the effect to and confirm your selection. Once your image is selected and visible on the page, make sure the image widget is still active. Now navigate to the Advanced tab at the top of the Settings panel. Within this tab, look for Motion Effects. This is where all the magic happens for creating dynamic scrolling animations. In the Motion Effects section, you'll see an option for scrolling effects. Toggle this option to On. At this point, you might notice that some features are limited if you're using the free version of Elementor. To unlock the full potential of scrolling and mouse effects, including the grow rotate animation we're creating, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. Once you upgrade, you can now enable both the scrolling and mouse effects, giving you complete control over how your image rotates and grows as users interact with your page. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a grow rotate image effect in Elementor that will make your website more dynamic and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.